This episode of the Mike and Andy Fishing Show is brought to you by Michael Bennett's Owl, Night's Quickening. Owl fights for your happiness inside your brain. Now available on Kindle.
Mike got him some sort of weird bass. Looks like a spotted bass.
I'll try to get it up here for a close-up. I'll bring them to you. There we go. Okay, we're not going to get an underwater shot. That's it.
It's time for the Mike and Andy Fishing Show! It's time for the Mike and Andy Fishing Show! It's time for the Mike! It's time for the Mike! It's time for the Mike and Andy Fishing Show!
That's about it.
Really, I hate to say it. There he is. Number 2. That's how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. Looks like he got stuck in 3. Hold him up here. Let's make it look big for the camera. Oh.